Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 with the limited edition XS Lime styling. So this vehicle has 16-inch alloy wheels. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, cruise control with speed limiter, and the car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.